This is Charles Green with more advice on loan, and today I'm speaking with Stephen Sheinbaum, founder of Merchant Cash and Capital, an alternative business finance company. Merchant Cash and Capital started in 2005 and has grown into one of the most well-known, respected finance companies in its category. The company has provided financing for more than 20,000 clients, totaling over $1 billion, which is even more impressive when you consider that their average loan was less than $50,000. Stephen, congratulations on getting to the $1 billion plateau level in just 10 years. When will we hear about the second $1 million?
Well, thank you for having me. I think we'll get to the second billion mark over the next 18 to 24 months.
Excellent. That's pretty fast. It seems as though the online or alternative finance corridor is getting crowded with a new funding company that seems to start every month. Merchant Cash and Capital has just introduced bizfi.com, a second site that offers other debt options such as term loans, equipment finance, AR lines of credit, and SBA loans. Tell me more about this expansion.
Well, BizFi is something that we've been working on for some time, and we've been in beta mode since late last year, and we just launched recently. And as you mentioned, what it is an online marketplace where business owners can come to and receive real-time offers from a variety of funding partners, ranging from SBA loans to equipment finance companies to traditional AR factors, and then alternative finance companies such as Merchant Cash and Capital that are providing term loans ranging from 3 months to 3 years. It came about because as banks are still recovering from the recession in 2008 and 2009 and facing the regulatory pressures that they're still having trouble lending money to small businesses. And that's created opportunities for companies like ourselves to provide more and more working capital to the small businesses that are out there today. So what we tried to do was really to marry our experience in finance and the lending and advancing that we've done to merchants with our love for technology and build an aggregation platform where merchants can really access money in a more efficient and easier manner than they ever have been able to before.
That's quite an expansion. Now, your company is a member of the North American Merchant Advance Association, which was or recently has announced a name change to the Small Business Finance Association. What's behind that name change?
I think what's principally driving that is that so many folks in our space now are providing much more than merchant cash advance. Back in 2005 when I started the business, that's all we did, and other players in our space also were limited to that product. But over that time, we've all now entered into various relationships with third-party banks and gotten licensed in many states, and we are now actually offering loans as well. So to have the name of the association be limited to merchant advance really is not an accurate descriptor anymore.
Okay. Well, thanks for sharing your insights, Stephen Sheinbaum. I'm Charles Green. Join us again for more advice on loan.
Thank you for having me.